Hey y'all, we're back over at Rich's. It's Sunday after church. Knocked down that second coat of resin, and now it's just we got brought a little can of Bondo over. We'll just fill in this stuff here, and that bit up in the front, all these edges here too, front and back, to get the cooling surface good and squared up. That's it. We'll fill all this stuff in across here too, where we extended the old snorkel there, and fill this stuff in here, and then it's ready for tape and PVA and then glass. We're also working on the nose drag. The nose over here, we cut out the pieces that we had drawn out and fit them up so they drop right in there too. So we got to grind the back side of this nose cone yet. Get all that back painting off. I don't know if I can do this with one hand or not. Maybe not. So I had you in my mouth there. Sorry about that. So yeah, there we go. We'll get these things taped into place, and after we remove all the back paint and stuff, and we're not going to worry about it being too bloody technical, because we're just going to end up putting that orange contact or vinyl over top of it. We're not going to bother painting it. So little baby steps. We'll get caught up. We may not get glass on everything today, and then again we might. You never know. It just depends on how things go. But that's it from Rich's Garage for now. We'll bring you some more when we move along in the process.